Let's learn about LG TV remote features. Press the guide button to view the program options. LG channels, set-top box, cable or antenna. Use the plus and minus keys to increase or decrease the volume. Press the home button to go to the home screen, where you can also see the last used apps. Press mute button to mute the volume. Press the back button for going backward. Press and hold the mic button to activate voice commands. You can say, "What is the temperature outside?" Open Netflix. Open YouTube. Use the up and down arrow keys to change channels or programs. Press the input button once to access the input options. Press and hold the input button to open the input home dashboard. Press the setting button to access the quick settings options. To access detailed setting, select all setting. Press 9 to launch. Quick help, where you can optimize settings based on recommendations given in TV menu. Selecting check items allows you to perform a self-diagnosis of the TV settings. Quick access button allows you to set quick action for numbers like 1, 2, 3 and more. When you press an assigned number, it will open the corresponding app. Press direct keys to access Netflix, Amazon and other given app. We have covered all the features.